Hello, savvy entrepreneurs. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system. In today's video, we'll explore navigating high-risk merchant account challenges, top strategies. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means the world to us. Understanding high-risk merchant accounts. High-risk businesses often face a higher likelihood of chargebacks, legal issues, or other factors that make traditional banks and payment processors hesitant to work with them. Researching high-risk merchant account providers. Look for providers with experience in your industry, such as those offering credit card merchant accounts for credit repair or CBD products. Consider providers that offer an online payment gateway, allowing you to accept credit cards for e-commerce seamlessly. Due diligence on payment processing systems. The system should provide advanced fraud protection measures to prevent chargebacks and ensure secure transactions. A robust payment processing system can instill confidence in both customers and financial institutions. Mitigating risks and chargebacks. Chargebacks can result from disputes, fraudulent activities, or dissatisfied customers. To mitigate these risks, implement stringent quality control measures to ensure customer satisfaction. By minimizing chargebacks, you demonstrate to payment processors that you are a reliable partner for payment processing for high-risk industries. Establishing strong relationships with payment processors. This proactive approach can lead to tailored solutions for accepting credit cards for e-commerce or other transactions specific to your industry. As you maintain a positive track record with your processor, you enhance your reputation and increase your chances of obtaining favorable terms and rates. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, businesses like yours can thrive by partnering with experienced payment processing providers. That's it for today's video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. And if you're looking for trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by 50,000 plus companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, for over 20 years, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay savvy, stay successful.